So, so I've on my live stream now, so we can continue. And let's go down again. Let's see our work. This is where we did our grading and okay, okay, and I'm coming. So let's see this coming. Hello, please mute your mic. So this is where we stop. This is where let's see our results. DF. Now, now this is the data set I'm using. So I'm going to name it a variable called DF so that okay. Now I'm going to name it new set so that when I'm working, I'm not going to go back and rework on it again. Okay, I'm going to name it new set. Okay, now I'm going to run my new set. So my df remain, okay, my df remain. I'm going to be working with my new set. So I'm going to be working with this. I'm going to be working with this data set. And so let me drop all this. Let me drop this. So let me drop this and this. Okay, now, okay, my new set. I want to see my sum and my gender, my sum and gender. Now I want to come down. I want to visualize my sum and gender. Okay, so I'm going to name here as new set. Okay, okay, I'm coming. I don't know why I'm having an error. Okay, now look at it. I have to create extra. I have to create extra square bracket. I have to create extra square bracket so that it can be grouped as one. So that it can be grouped as one. So that's why now I'm going to see my sum of gender, and when I run it, this is my sum of gender. Let me visualize it. I'm going to visualize it and I'm going to say, I want to visualize my sum of gender and sum of gender. Let me copy this variable name and let me plot it. I'm going to say dot plt dot plot and and I'm going to say end and I'm going to say histogram. No, I'm going to say bar. It did not produce it well for me. And let's see the pi. Okay, the pi. Okay, let's see the histogram. Okay, this is the sum of the histogram, the sum, and the sum for the female and for the female and now we have to label it. We have to label it. When we talk about label, we want you to label it. I want you to label, okay? Want you to label, okay? So go and look on how to label. This is your assignment. You can look on how to label and you come to class. So let's see how we can also plot it like this. Let's see. Now we are going to, I'm going to paste my gender again. I'm going to say dot plt, and I'm going to mention my, I'm going to mention my x axis. I want to group by the axis. I want to mention that it should uh, um, make this graph by y and x axis. I'm going to name it as x, then the gender, and the gender is my x, and my y will be, okay. So my y will be what? So my y will be, and my y will be this, and I'm going to pass in um, the sum. I guess it's the sum we are calculating with. Yeah, the sum, and comma, comma, and I'm going to say the kind should be a line graph, a line graph. Okay, the kind should be a line graph. Hello, I hope you guys are in class.
Yes.
Yes.
A line graph, then the figure size should be and 4, 4, and then so, and I'm going to say plt dot show. So it help you to show what you visualize, okay? So I'm going to run it now. I'm going to run it and see what we just did. This is the visualized data, and this is the male and the female. This is how he analyze it for us. I hope you are seeing it. This is math plot we are using. Okay, good. And we can also look out for the bar and histogram. Let's say, let's code here as bar. Please, when you are working on your data set, please, every step you take, every step, always use your comment, please. Not the way I work on it. I'm working on it to show you guys, okay? When you are analyzing data, use your comments, indicate the step you take, indicate the step you take. At the end of all your visualization, you give your recommendation, you give everything, okay? And also, I want you to, when you are presenting, you are going to give me your visualized code, your visualized code, your analyze Python analysis. You are going to give me, and you are saving it with PYMB. And also, when you are visualizing, you are going to use your Power BI you are showing me, and also you are going to write recommendation on Microsoft Word and present to me. You write it as a project, okay? Because after this class, I will send you your project to write. I'll send you your project and you are going to analyze it for me. So, and this is the gender, and I believe the range of what we did here is much, and that's why it's giving us this type of so this is it. And so this is it. And let's see the scatter plot. We can use the scatter plot. Please, you do research. You have to do research. Okay, I'm coming. Coming this size. Okay, now let's expand this. Instead of 4 by 4, let's expand it to 10 by 20. Let's expand the figure size to 10. Okay, let's run it. It's just that the size I used is too small. Okay, now, okay, let's see this size. 10 by 10 by 4, no, 10 by 5. 10 by 5. This is figure size, the weight of the bar chart you are representing. Yeah, okay. Okay, look at our chart. It's not giving me, it's not looking nice, and it's not looking nice. It's not looking. So I want, instead of this, I want to give it a head of 4. Let's see, a head of 4. A head of 4 is too much. That's why it's not presenting it well for us. Let's see this, a head of 4. Okay. Now let's use this. Okay, let's use this. Now let me create this. Let me create a variable name called head of 4. Head and 4. Now I'm going to copy this, and I'll come here. I'm coming here to see our visualized data, and I'm going to use a header 4. So are you seeing it?
Yes, I can see it.
Did you see how it look nice? It's just
Yes.
that I just work on all the data, and all the data is up to 1,000. So it will not come out in a presentable manner. So I just analyze the first 4 data and this, okay?
Yes.
So I'm just showing you guys how you can walk through on this, and before, look, so look at our analysis and all. So look at it, and let's see this, a head of 4. We are plotting a head of 4 and all. Okay. We are using that head of 4 as a sample, data set and all. So I believe this is okay. Now I want to save I want to save our analyzed data. This is our analyzed data. This is our analyzed data, right?
Yes.
I want to save it and I want to visualize it. I want to visualize it. Now let's visualize. Let's also save it. Now for us to save it, we are going to save it like this. We are going to say, now we are going to use our df. Remember we stored it as df2. We are going to say to, then underscore csv. Then we are going to give it a name. We are going to give it a name. We are going to give it a name. We are going to use analyze. We are going to use analyze data, analyze data dot csv. Now we have saved it. Now let's see our data set. Let's see it. So let's go to my drive and let's see where, look at our analyzed data. Did you see it
Yes.
already be saved? Now we are going to come here and download it. We are going to download it like this. We are downloading it to our desk. Let me download it to desktop, and you might not see it. So I've already downloaded it to my desktop because I'm not sharing all my full screen. Okay,
Yes.
so I've already downloaded it. Now we want to work on Power BI. Okay, we are working on Power BI now. So let me share my screen to Power BI. I'm sharing my screen to Power BI. Thank you for Python. We have ended Python for data analysis and we are moving down to Power BI. Okay. And we are moving down to Power BI. This is our Power BI. This is our first page, and the first page of Power BI. This is how it looks like, and this is how it looks like. This is the environment. When you open it, it will look like this. And we are going to open a blank sheet where we are going to report, and we are going to report it. And so let's report. We are going to click the blank report. So now this is our environment, and this is the environment where we are going to work on our data set. Okay, we are going to work with our data set. So we are going to load our CSV file, and I'm going to import the analyzed data set we just analyzed. Now, okay, hello, I hope you are hearing me.
Yes, sir.
So I'm loading it now. It's connecting. I hope you are seeing it's connecting. Now this is the data set, right? I hope you are seeing it. This is the data set we analyzed. Hello, I hope you are seeing the screen.
Yes, I'm seeing it.
So I want you guys to give me the response, okay? So I want to load it now. I'm loading the analyze data. It's loading. So let's wait. Now this is it. We have just loaded 100 rows, and we want to load it, and look at this side. You see where your data and this is our analyzed data, and this is our column. This is all our column. Okay, the sum and all. Now we want to work on a blank sheet, and now let's give it a title. Let's give it a title. We are going to give it a title now. Okay, let me draw a text box. Let me draw a text box. I'm going to name it now student. Okay. So I'm going to work on student data set, student performance. Okay, sorry, student performance, student performance, and this is it. And we are going to increase it. And we are going to increase it. We are going to put it at the center. I don't know why. Now this is it, and we are going to put a color on it, and we are formatting it like this. Okay, now we have worked on it, and now let's work with our data set now. So let's group by the gender. Let's get the gender and the sum. Now let's use this graph. We are seeing the sum and the gender now. So it's loading it. So This is our graph, and let's see. Look at it. When you see it, the sum of male. Look at the sum of male. So the female has the highest, right? Hello, hello.
Hi. Hi.
Did you see that the female has the highest? I want to hear from you.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is it, and we are going to see the count. Let's see the count, the number of gender. We are going to see the count and count. Let's see count, and let's say sum. The sum, the count. So the gender, the count of gender is 1,000. The gender is 1,000. Both male and female is 1,000. And okay, the count is 1,000. Okay, the count is 1,000. So the count is 1,000. We are going to put it here. So we are going to put it here. This, we are going to reduce this. So we are working on this. We have the count, and I'm coming. Okay, this is it. Now we want to see the gender again. We want to see the distinct count of the gender. The distinct count of the gender. We are going to see the distinct count. The distinct count is 2. The distinct count is 2. And we want to see the gender itself again. And we have the male and female. Look at it. The gender are male and female. Hello. So I hope you guys are following.
So two.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
So um um I want to let you know that um Power BI is interactive, in the sense that when you click on the male, it will give you the analysis of male, it will give you the analysis of female. Look at it. So now the male is 500, and we can put this. So let's see it. Let's see it in our visualize. Let's see the count, or let's see the counts. Okay, let's see the count of gender, and the gender. Okay, it's not giving us the gender. Let's see the counts. I'm coming. I'm coming. So let's use card, or let me create a table. Let me create a table of gender, and the gender and and the sum. Now, okay, I want it to give me everything together. Now, look at it. Look at my table. This is my data for male and female. This is the number of male and this number of female. And also, I want to see, I'm coming now. I want to see this and the gender and what their sum. They are grades. When I say grade, no, I'll say sum, the gender and their sum. Okay, this is the gender and their sum, and so we are looking on gender and their sum. So see the difference between the gender and their sum. Um, and I'm coming. So we are going to look the gender in math score. In math score, we are going to take this. We are going to look for something that will visualize it very well for us. Okay, gender. Did not mention gender. Okay, now, okay, okay. In math score, the gender of male same, is same. So let's see let's see the gender in written reading. In reading, this is the gender in reading. um, I'm coming. So this is the gender in now. Let's see. Let's see in gender and writing. Okay, in writing they appears the same. Okay, and now let's see gender and their total sum. Gender and okay, we have already gotten the total sum. What are we going to visualize? We are going to visualize gender, and we are going to visualize the sum and the mass score. Let's see. Okay, now let's see this. Okay, now we are grouping the total score of gender, and we are seeing the difference in math and in reading score. And we are also going to look on same in all of them. And before we go there, let's see Okay, and what are we going to do next? Can you tell me what we are going to look at next? What we are going to analyze on? Hello, can you give me an example of what we are going to look on? Because this is our analysis. We are working together. What do you think we should look out for? Okay, I want to hear from you now. Is there no one that can tell me what we are going to look out for?
I don't know. I don't really know what next we're going to look at for.
Okay, okay. What about their okay in terms of performance? In terms of performance, we should look at on their performance now. We have already okay, we have already looked at for their performance, right? Okay, in mass score and in gender score, we have already looked at their. So, Arismart, what do you think we should look out for?
Okay, so from what I'm looking at here, we can look at their grade and
Their grade.
yeah, their grade.
Let's see their grade. And their grade, gender and their grade. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, now. Okay, now gender and their sum. Okay, gender and their grade. And their grade. Now look at it and and okay, gender and their this thing did not give me a visualized outcome, and I want to tell you that we cannot visualize gender and their grade in the sense that they are both string. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, they are both string. So let's see gender, grade and mass score in mass score, and did you see it? And the gender. Did you see it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Did, did you see what I did? The number of failure. I think uh, the May the May has a lot of okay. The May have a lot of failure in mathematics, and the female have average. I think the population of May that fail and the population of May uh, that pass are very low. Okay, thank you. We can work with this. Okay, we can work with this. Let's see this. We are going to also do it in. So I have to reduce all this. I have to reduce all this. So now we are going to look for the gender, grade, and writing score. And we are going to see it. Let's see this. Okay, now let's see this. Okay, this is it. And we are going to see the gender, the grade, and we are grouping by you and their writing score. And okay, now I want to let you know that you can make sure your own look more nice and presentable. Okay, don't work on my own, and this just focus on mine. Okay, make sure you do something better. Okay, hello, are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we are visualizing and we are looking out some analysis that speaks well to and also communicates to our audience, and that is the purpose of we creating this. So let me increase this. Let me increase this to 40, and let me increase this to 42. It's not it's not increasing. It's not increasing. I don't know why. Okay, I've not highlighted it. Okay, I've not highlighted it. Good. I love it like this. And okay, now we can. Okay, let's see more insight. Let's see more insight. We can draw their tables. Let's see the gender and their grade and their math score. Okay, this table, I think this table will help us a lot. Okay. Mm, the gender, okay, let's say distinct. Okay, I'm working on it. You just watch me in case you are working on yours. So now this is it. This is it. And this is it. And I said distinct grade and math score. I want it to give me the number of failure, not distinct. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's make use of this. In math score, we can make use of this and also make use of this. Mm, okay. This one is we are going to look for the gender and we are going to look for gender and yeah, I'm coming. We are going to look for gender and their reading score. Okay, then I will delete this. I will delete this. This does not give me what I want it. I'm going to look for gender and math score. Okay, good. This give me what I want. Okay, I hope you are seeing what I'm doing now. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
So I'm also going to look for gender, grade, and writing score. The people that fails and the people that pass. This is our analysis, and now good and good. Our data set look nice. Now we want to see the average sum, the total sum. Let's see the overall count. Look at the overall count. The overall count, the sum of the is 200 and something. Is 200. Okay, the overall. And let's see our overall gender and overall gender. Okay, I'm coming. Let me reduce this, please. Please. Let's see this. Okay, let's see this. And okay, we cannot get gender. And let's see this. Cannot get. Okay, the total score of. Okay, now in score we have 66. We can get this now. Okay, I will reduce this. Now I've gotten that. So I've gotten that. Let's see the reading score, the cards, and we are going to reduce it. The reading score. Look at it. In terms of the reading score, okay. Now I did not arrange my own very well. Please and please don't mind me, okay? Make sure you do your own very well. Hello, hello. Are
Yes,
you
sir.
guys still in
I hear
class?
it too.
So, um, now we are done for today, and this is our analysis. Congratulations to you guys. You just successfully completed this training. Hello,
yeah, hi.
congratulations to you guys, and
Thank
I
you.
want to hear from you. I want you guys to
Thank
speak.
you.
So, how did you see the training at the beginning of this training till this end? So, I want to hear from you, Savior. I want to hear you speak.
Okay, good evening, sir. Um,
Yes.
the the session has been nice and awesome. As I said earlier on, I didn't have any knowledge of this, but I'm happy because now I have learned a lot of new things and it was impactful.
So, so far, have you been able to capture or grab what was being taught right from the day one?
Yes, to a large extent, just that some of the things I still need to practice on them very well because since it's
Okay,
something that
good.
is new to me.
Okay, now the YouTube video is available. You can make sure you go back and also look out on it, okay?
Yes, sir.
And I want to hear from you. Uh, are smart,
Sir, sorry, sir.
okay?
Sorry, sir. Please, you permit me to leave the class now. My battery has really gone down, and I would
Okay,
like.
you can leave. You can leave. You have already spoke to
All
us,
right, sir.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
So,
good evening, sir.
good evening.
Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you, a huge thank you for this great privilege. I really want to say thank you, sir. So so far so good. I've been able to learn a lot, though to a large extent I've not. Okay, to a large extent I've been able to learn something, but there are still some things I still need to grasp. Um, due to I'm still a student, so because of that, I'm still like juggling the class with some other activities. Sometimes it's overwhelming for me, but still I'm still able to like catch up and do some things. So I've been able to learn a lot. And towards the end of the program, when we were actually venturing into um analysis with Python, around that area I was really so much like interested. Like I think the last two classes and then this last one, which deals with visualization of those data, it really caught my attention the more. So basically, that's and then what you told this guy Mr. Xavier just now. I will still go over the YouTube videos over and over again, so as to grasp more on the subject matter. So thank you very much, sir.
Okay, good. Your project will be sent to you guys, and you are expected to complete it now till Friday. On Friday, your graduation is Friday. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Abdulhakim.
Yes, sir. Um,
So,
okay, sir, can I go ahead?
I want to, yes, you can go ahead. You can go.
Okay, so before I say anything, I would like to say a very big thank you to CM Tech, especially you. You've been instrumental throughout the whole process since day one, and honestly, I've learned a lot from this particular cohort. Um, I actually have some basic knowledge in Python, but I think this one has really threw more insights into that, and I would like to say a very big thank you for that. Actually, just as I stated earlier or in the beginning of the program, I'm still a student. At times, like balancing this particular class with my academics at times is not easy. But I think the recording of the live streams and maybe putting them in the YouTube channel really helps. At times, during my leisure time, I will just have to go and look at them and practice along. Though I've been going through the videos, but still I still need to practice them more. Just as the saying goes, practice make man perfect. So I
Okay,
think
good.
since the videos are still in the channel, anytime I find myself fumbling with some of the stuffs, I'll just quickly go there to revise up.
Okay, good.